If you think you're bad at crochet and you're never going to get it right, then it's probably down to 3 simple mistakes that most beginners think and make them believe that they just can't do it. Hi, I'm Caroline and this is Caro-stitched, and I've been crocheting for over 50 years. Now, I have this YouTube channel, an Etsy shop, and I also have a lovely community of over 300 members over on school where we all help to encourage each other, but also I teach people how to crochet with confidence. And I've learned the 3 mistakes that beginners tend to make, which just leads them on to thinking that they're bad at crochet and I'm never going to succeed at it. So let's have a look at what they are. So the first mistake that beginners often make is they compare themselves to people who have been crocheting for years. You're forgetting that they started where you are, with the mess and the tangles and learning how to make the stitches. But they have practiced, perfected that art, gone through the I can't do this stage and come out the other side. You're looking at where they are after having practiced for years. They're on chapter 20 and you're only on chapter 1. Remember, they did start where you are, and if you can talk to them, they'll tell you that. Keep going, keep practicing, and you'll be where they are now. The second mistake that beginners make is by starting with things that's far too complicated. They buy a project that is too involved, with stitches that they don't know and are too complex for them. Beginners need to start from the basics. Like anything you learn, you start at the beginning. You need to build on that by keeping repeating what you're learning, so keeping practicing until you're really secure with those basic stitches, and then you can move on to the next. More complex projects will come, but that will be in time. You start with something that's far too far on for you, you will feel you can't succeed and you will probably give up. Start with the simple stitches, the basic stitches, you'll get there. The third thing that happens is that beginners look at it and they're expecting perfection. They're expecting to just be able to pick up a hook, pick up the yarn, and be able to do it straight away. It's not going to happen. It's going to be wonky. It's going to be tangled. That's normal. Mistakes is part of the learning. Expect wavy edges. Expect tangled yarn. Expect your hands getting in each other's way. That's normal. Over time, it smooths out and you begin to crochet with confidence. You need to think about your crochet slightly differently. It's not that you're bad, it's that you're new. There's a huge difference in that. Keep going. Those projects you want to do are around the corner. Keep practicing, keep perfecting, and stay positive. If you're worried about anything, or you just want that little bit of encouragement, just put it in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for joining me today, for keeping me company. I'll see you in the next one.